Hi, my name is Katrina Sawa, and I'm known as the Jumpstart Your Biz Coach because I kick people in their butts to get stuff done so they can make a lot more money doing what they love. And I was just a speaker on Blaney Teal's small business virtual extravaganza event, and it was really fun for me as a speaker. I also hung around and attended some of the sessions, and I loved the interactive platform that she's using. There were so many fun things you could do. It wasn't overwhelming at all. It was very easy to use, and you could really see who was in your session. You could chat with people in your session. You could do a poll. There was a lot of opportunity as a speaker to engage with participants in the audience. And so I was very thankful that she brought me in as a speaker. And if you're looking at doing it yourself, I would highly recommend it. I think she does a great job promoting and organizing and just staying on time and bringing the right people to the map for you. So thanks, Katrina Sawa with jumpstartyourbiznow.com and jumpstartpublishing.net.